This is Susie.
Hello.
Susie has been told she needs to keep her reading notes in Zotero so she can generate a report as an assignment in a class. Let's watch. Susie opens Zotero and sees the familiar three-column interface. On the left, she sees her library and various collections she has created. In the middle, she sees the items that a collection contains. On the right, she sees details of a particular item she has highlighted. Susie already has a collection called Things with Notes for Reporting, but she decides to be more specific. She right-clicks in an existing collection, chooses New Sub-Collection, and types an appropriate name. She now drags the items she wants into the new collection. To add a note to an item, Susie can do one of two things. She can highlight the item in the center column, click the Notes tab in the right column, and click the Add button. Or she can right-click the item in the center column and choose Add Note. Or she can click the Add Note icon at the top of the center column and choose either Standalone Note or Child Note. Since Susie's notes are almost always related to a record in her Zotero library, she's in the habit of using Child Note. As Susie types, the note is automatically saved. And the note is given a title based on the first line that she typed. So she's careful to type a first line that means something. Now that Susie has done some reading and added some notes, she wants to create the report. To do this, she right-clicks on the appropriate collection and chooses Generate Report from Collection. Zotero pops up a new window that contains the report. Scattered throughout the report are headings that indicate the particular journal or book, followed by the notes that Susie has taken. To send this report to the instructor, Susie has two options. She can click File, Save, and choose Web Page HTML Only to save a web page version of these notes. The trick here is that Susie must always double-check that she's saving web page HTML only, and not something else. Other options cause problems. Alternatively, Susie can print a PDF. To do this, she clicks File, Print, and chooses her PDF printer. Susie uses Qt PDF Writer and Nitro PDF Creator, but there are many of these printers available online, and she could download and install any of them. Printing to a PDF will generate a PDF that Susie can submit to her instructor. One last trick that Susie needs to pay attention to. Most of the readings in her course are PDFs scanned from books or articles. Zotero can't grab bibliographic information from those PDFs automatically, so Susie has two options. She can enter the bibliographic information into Zotero manually, or she can search library websites to find the books and journals from which the articles were taken, and have Zotero grab that information from those library websites. This second option takes a bit more time, but helps Susie become more familiar with what Zotero can do, and reduces the likelihood of her mistyping something. So that's what she mostly does, even though it's not quite as direct as just typing information in.